Hello everyone. আজি আমি NEET 2003 এটা question solve কৰিম from the chapter rotational bodies. Okay, so the question is that a solid cylinder of mass m, radius r, rolls without slipping down an inclined plane of length L and height h. What is the speed of its center of mass when the cylinder reaches its bottom? Basically they are saying that if there is an inclined plane of height h and length L, so there is a cylinder there and it starts rolling. Kintu slip nahi, there is no slipping. Slipping hole friction would have come into play. So as the cylinder is slipping down, the center of mass to a linear motion kori ase, and when the cylinder gradually reaches down, ki hoy jabo যিমানখিনি potential energy ইয়াতে আছিলে এই গোটেইখিনি potential energy এইটো পইণ্টৰ kinetic energy হিচাপে কনভাৰ্ট হৈছে. Okay, so all the potential energy that was here will get converted into the kinetic energy at this point. So আমি কি কৰিম, আমাৰ কি দিয়া আছে চোৱা, potential energy of the solid cylinder at a height h obviously will be mgh. Kinetic energy of the center of mass when at bottom. The center of mass in this case is having two kinds of motion. One is the translatory motion and the other is the rotational motion. So translatory motion karone amar center of mass or kinetic energy to half v square, and for rotatory motion or rotational motion it will be half I omega square, where I is the moment of inertia of the cylinder, omega is the angular velocity. Now moment of inertia replacement of m case kori likhibo paru, where k is the radius of gyration, and in place of omega square we can write v square by r square. So taking common we get this term. Now for a cylinder we know that the ratio of the square of radius of gyration with the actual radius is half. So it will be a substitute we get kinetic energy equal to g by 4 mv square. Now this kinetic energy which is acquired at the bottom is at the cost of the potential energy that was already present at the top. So আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, potential energy to kinetic energy লগত equate কৰি দিব লাগিব, and that gives us the velocity of the center of mass at the bottom of the inclined. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Thank you.